Scan your memories with the all-new Kodak Film Scanner. This scanning kit includes video output and USB cables, along with multiple adapters. This scanner features a large swiveling 3.5-inch LCD screen. To get started, simply plug it in and insert your SD card. Hold down the power button and use the buttons to scroll through the menu options. The program's helpful tray and insert directories tell you exactly what to use depending on the specific film type, including everything from 135, Super 8, and 8mm slides to 35mm, 126, and 110 negatives. Convert color and black and white films from nearly any format with 6 unique easy load inserts and adapters. For further simplicity, the unit comes equipped with large, comfortable buttons for moving through the program's many applications. Once you've scanned a film, hit the main camera button to instantly save to your SD card. The display will even tell you when the memory is full. For ease of operation, the interface features streamlined navigation split into 3 modes. Gallery helps you to view, flip, rotate, and delete existing photos on your personal SD card. Capture is for scanning, saving, and adjusting image brightness and RGB. And Settings lets you change resolution and LCD brightness, consult the film directory, upload to computer via USB, and more. Use the bonus video and HDMI cables to project your memories on a television or through any other compatible entertainment equipment. To upload your photos for safekeeping, save your memories with Kodak. Share them with the world.